AI is already showing up in email security, help desk workflows, monitoring tools, employee productivity platforms, and cybercriminal tactics. The problem is not whether AI matters. The problem is whether your business governs it well. As our CEO, Thad Sawinski, notes, the business value of AI depends on the controls, people, and response processes around it. That matters even more when 57% of global consumers view AI use in personal data collection and processing as a significant privacy threat. For DFW leaders, AI can improve IT support when it helps surface unusual login activity, endpoint behavior, and traffic patterns. It can also help technicians isolate issues faster, support predictive system maintenance, and strengthen email filtering against polished phishing messages. But attackers use the same strengths businesses use: speed, personalization, pattern recognition, and automation. That means typos are no longer a reliable warning sign. AI can create clean, role-specific phishing messages. Deepfake voice or video can pressure employees into wire transfers, credential handoffs, or approval shortcuts. Attackers can also scan for exposed remote access tools, outdated systems, and misconfigured cloud accounts. AI readiness requires more than buying a new tool. To go deeper, read the full article on our website and add this to your playlist.